You wake up one morning, check your account, and your money's gone. Not stolen, just worthless. But here's the question. Who actually decides what your money is worth? It's not your government. It's not your bank. It's an empire, hidden in plain sight. They don't need armies or flags or borders. Their weapon is debt. Their battlefield? Every nation on earth. And the shocking part? You've been funding them your entire life without even knowing it. Today, we uncover the story of the secret empire that owns the world's money. It started centuries ago when kings ran out of gold to fund wars, so they turned to private bankers, the only people who could lend on a massive scale. In exchange, those bankers didn't just want repayment. They wanted control. Fast forward to today. The same system still rules the global economy. Central banks, commercial banks, and shadow institutions. An invisible triangle of power. The result? 97% of all money in circulation isn't printed by governments. It's created by banks when they issue loans. Money is no longer backed by gold. It's backed by your debt. Every mortgage, every credit card swipe, every national bailout strengthens the same hidden empire. Here's how it works. When a bank lends you money, it doesn't hand you someone else's cash. It simply types a number into a computer, and poof, new money exists. That digital money circulates through the economy, creating a cycle of growth, but also dependency. Because when you repay that loan, the money disappears, but the interest remains, and that interest keeps the system hungry for more debt. It's like an economic treadmill. You can't stop running, or the whole machine collapses. And who controls that treadmill? The few institutions that can create, lend, and destroy money at will. They don't print it. They own the privilege to imagine it into existence. But what happens when the empire overreaches? History gives us clues. The Great Depression, the 2008 financial meltdown. Each time, the same pattern: massive debt, inflated assets, collapse. And every time, governments rush in to rescue the system by borrowing even more from the same power that caused it. It's a perfect loop. Debt creates crisis. Crisis creates more debt. And with every bailout, the empire tightens its grip. The result? A world where inequality isn't an accident. It's a business model. While you fight to pay interest on your debts, nations do the same on a global scale. And the empire grows richer from every payment. They don't need chaos or peace. They profit from both. Money was meant to serve humanity. Somewhere along the way, humanity began serving money. The question isn't who owns the world's wealth, it's who owns the right to create it. And as long as that power remains invisible, we'll never truly be free. So tell me, if money is just trust, who do you really trust to run the world? Drop your thoughts in the comments.